The various steps in overhauling of point machines are: measurement of electrical parameters of the point machine, dismantling of the point machine, overhauling of the geared motor assembly, overhauling of switch pedestal with contact device, overhauling of transmission assembly, overhauling of voltage cutout switch, overhauling of slides, overhauling of 6-way 8-way terminal, overhauling of housing cover assembly, wiring procedure for overhauled point machine, reassembling of the point machine, and testing of the overhauled point machine. In this signal training video film module, we will talk about these steps one by one.